Welcome to 12 in-person networking tips. And before we dive in further, don't forget to check out this free ebook on our website. The link is below. So let's begin. Tip number 1 is to be mindful of your approach. The way you approach someone can set the tone for the interaction. Walk up with confidence, smile, and greet them warmly. You are conveying a great first impression. Tip number 2 is to use names effectively. When you meet someone, make an effort to remember their name and use it during the conversation. The personal touch shows that you value them as an individual and helps strengthen the connection. And tip number 3 is to create a comfortable environment. If possible, find a suitable space and choose a quieter area to have conversations. Avoid overcrowded spaces, as it can make it hard to hear and connect. A more comfortable setting encourages open dialogue and connection. Tip number 4 is to show genuine curiosity. When talking to someone, ask questions that encourage them to share more about themselves and their work. Show genuine interest in their experiences, which helps deepen the conversation. Tip number 5 is to be prepared with topics. Think of a few relevant subjects or current trends in your industry that you can discuss. This preparation can help you navigate conversations smoothly and keep discussions engaging. Tip number 6 is to ask for advice or opinions. People love to share their insights. When you meet someone, engage with them by asking for their thoughts on a recent trend in your industry or by seeking their advice on a challenge you are facing. This not only shows that you value and respect their expertise, but also encourages a more meaningful conversation. Tip number 7 is to follow up with purpose. After the event, reach out to those you connected with. Make sure your follow-up is intentional. Reference specific topics you discussed to make your message meaningful, engaging, and relevant. This not only keeps the conversation alive, but also demonstrates your genuine interest in maintaining the relationship. Tip number 8 is to practice gratitude. Always express thanks to those who take the time to talk with you. A simple thank you for sharing your insights, which acknowledges that support can leave a positive impression and strengthen the relationship. Tip number 9 is to maintain an open posture. Your body language communicates a lot. Keep your arms uncrossed and face the person you are talking to. This posture signals that you are approachable and engaged in the conversation. Tip number 10 is to engage with enthusiasm. Show enthusiasm for your work and interests. Generate a positive energy. Your passion can be contagious and can inspire interest and inspire others to engage with you more deeply. An energetic approach can make conversations more enjoyable. Tip number 11 is to reflect and adapt. After networking events, take time to reflect on your experiences. What worked well? What could you improve? Aim to learn from your experiences. Adapting your approach based on these reflections will lead to continuous improvement and help you become a more effective networker over time. And finally, tip number 12, and it's to foster a supportive atmosphere. Many attendees are also looking to make connections and may feel a bit nervous. Acknowledging that everyone is there for similar reasons can help ease any tension. Approach conversations with empathy and don't hesitate to share your own experiences. The mutual understanding can create a more relaxed atmosphere and foster genuine connections. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. If you'd like to sign up to the special offer for our Business English Networking course, the link is in the description. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the Toomey Business English channel. See you in the next lesson.